Collin Gibbons here at LDV. Today we're looking at Wayne Hartley's new 22-foot Peterbilt. It's a great looking truck. He put a lot of nice features in it. Let's go check it out. So on the outside, we put in a sealed lighted compartment. Gives you extra storage space so you can put things out here. Another thing that we've done is we have these little cups put in here, and that keeps your liftgate control and your power supply adapter for plugging in the truck here separately. So in the back here, your transfer plate that goes between the liftgate and the truck has always been a problem. If it's in the store, it's always in your way, you're kicking it around. So we came up with a storage pocket inside the door. So it's out of your way, it's where you need it when you need it, and when you don't need it, it tucks away. So you just reach in, slide it out when you need it. So how many times have you had a customer that every week he comes up to your truck and he pushes the handle button and locks himself out? And every week it's the same guy. Well, we got a solution for that. It's called a key to lock. The button will not go in without a key. So that eliminates the problem. He can't lock himself out of the truck, and you're not having to come around and unlock it all the time. So up front here at the desk, we've done something different. Instead of the typical T-molding that goes around the desk to keep your pencils from sliding off, we've done what's called a stainless steel rolled edge. So that way it's thicker and it's much more comfortable. When you're here at night doing your paperwork and stuff, it's much more comfortable to type on your keyboard and stuff without having that sharp edge dig into your arms. We'd love to build one for you, so give us a call. Have a great day.